Right, we're here with Sirio Marezva,
Yeah, fine.
just outside of Harare, Zimbabwe. How are you, Sirio?
Yeah, fine. How is it?
And Sirio, how long have you been sculpting?
Yeah, it's now I've been sculpting for 15 years now.
15 years.
Yeah, it's now.
You don't look old enough to be sculpting for 15 years.
Yeah, so yeah, because it's like my body doesn't show I'm grown up in art.
Good, you're lucky.
Yeah. So
And so anyway, we've got a piece here we're just buying from Sirio. Sirio, what is the title of this piece?
the title is the letter from my boyfriend.
Letter for my boyfriend.
Yes.
And Sirio is the brother of Tonderai Marezva, who also works here. This piece is sculpted in spring stone, sculpted from a single piece of stone. Different textures are just different, caused by different methods of finishing. And Sirio, how long did it take you to make this piece?
Yeah, it's like for me, if I got the stone around my place, I can make it for 7 days.
7 days for this piece. Alright. And this is Letter for My Boyfriend.
Yes.
Available from Utonga Gallery, www.utonga.com, by Sirio Marezva. Thank you, Sirio.
Okay, fine.
All right.